For almost 9 decades, Our Lady of the Lake Regional Medical Center has delivered high-quality health care to the people of Louisiana and beyond. Now, under its new master campus plan, the Lake is expanding its facilities and its commitment to the community even further. With a projected opening in the fall of 2013, key components of the expansion plan include a heart and vascular tower, Level 1 trauma center, and expanded emergency room. Chief Executive Officer Scott Wester says the most noticeable addition to the campus will be the heart and vascular tower.
It's a 9-story building, and included in that 9-story building will be a lot of our heart and vascular work, both on the surgical side as well as what we have our cardiologists do through the heart catheterization. And really, for the first time in our community, we're going to have a combined catheterization room with an operating room, and it's called a hybrid room.
Hybrid rooms are fully equipped operating rooms designed to handle minimally invasive procedures as well as complex surgeries. The Heart and Vascular Tower will also have newly designed pre-op rooms with additional seating for family members, private bathrooms, and spacious closet areas. 48 new intensive care unit rooms are also included in the Heart and Vascular Tower. The ICUs for medical, surgical, trauma, brain injury, and heart patients will be complete with best-in-class medical technology and amenities for patients and their loved ones. The Heart and Vascular Tower was designed keeping patients, visitors, and caregivers in mind and will have what's called universal patient rooms. These rooms allow necessary care to change in one setting for the patient instead of the patient having to move from floor to floor. And ICU rooms are larger, with beds positioned away from the walls, giving caregivers 360-degree access to patients. Our Lady of the Lake's facility coordinator Jody Gennaro says the warm color palette used in the rooms is soothing and aids the healing process.
We're really excited about the new design of the patient rooms because when we were selecting the palette of the rooms, we took a more progressive approach to go with the more warmer yellow tones and greens because there's studies shown that helps with the comforting of the patient and relaxation.
Additional safety features are also incorporated in the new design.
In addition to our nurses' stations in the hall, every 2 rooms we will have a nurses' viewing station, so that way your nurse can monitor the patient more closely.
Also under the Lake's master campus plan, the emergency room will be enlarged to the size of almost 2 football fields and will include a Level 1 trauma center, offering patients life-saving care for the most critical cases. Today in Louisiana, there are only Level 1 trauma centers in New Orleans and Shreveport, but thanks to a partnership between Our Lady of the Lake and LSU's graduate medical education program, that will soon change.
Currently, Our Lady of the Lake is the only facility within the Baton Rouge region that has dedicated 24/7 support of general surgeons and trauma surgeons and some other activities such as neurosurgeons. And within the partnership, we will now be able to bring what we have, a Level 1 trauma.
Our Lady of the Lake's legacy of quality care, its dedicated physicians, nurses, and other support staff, combined with dramatic additions the campus has not seen since it moved to Essen Lane in 1979, will put the Baton Rouge region on the map as a destination for advanced health care.
So here we are now 30 years later and really beginning the next phase of what Our Lady of the Lake means within our community and within the state.
To follow the progress of the new additions to Our Lady of the Lake's campus, visit us at ololrmc.com.